In this video, we look at the chain rule. The chain rule is used for taking the derivative when we have a function that is plugged inside of another function. And these usually take the form of f of g of x, or you could see it written in this notation, but that is a lot less common in North America. And so the chain rule says that if we have a function in that form of f of g, that its derivative is the derivative of f, which is the outside function, and then we plug the inside function untouched into it, and then we multiply that by the derivative of g, which is the derivative of the inside function. And so looking at our first example here, I can see that I do have a function that is inside of something to the power of 16. And so then I ask myself, what is the derivative of the outside function, which is x to the power of 16? I usually use something instead of x. So the derivative of something to the 16 is going to be 16 something to the 15, right? Using my power rule. I then plug the inside function untouched into that, and then multiply by the derivative of the inside function. And so the derivative, I'm now looking at this inside function right here, which is going to be 2 times 5 is going to be 10x to the 4 minus 6x minus 20x to the negative 5 using my power rule. Then looking at my next function, I can see that it is definitely a function stuck inside of this fifth root, remembering that a fifth root is the same as raising something to the power of 1/5. And the reason why I write that is so that I can see that that really is in the form of x to the power of n, so that I can use a power rule first. And so I'm taking its derivative. I'm going to use Leibniz notation, which again is the same thing as another notation for just y prime. And so this will be something to the 1/5, which is going to be 1/5 something, and then I'm going to subtract 1 from that exponent. I take the inside function untouched, and then I multiply that by the derivative of the inside function. And so 7 times 8 is going to be 56, x to the power of 7, and then the derivative of x squared will be bringing the 2 down and multiply, and then subtracting 1 from the exponent, 2x.